So, you've forgotten or lost your PIN or passcode to your Google Pixel 7. Either you forgot it, you didn't write it down, your kids are playing with the phone, the grandkids are playing with the phone. Well, I have the solution. The good news is you can reset your device and use your phone again. The bad news is you have to factory reset it, and it's going to erase all of your data unless you have a backup. How to do a backup is for a different video. This is to reset your device if you've lost your PIN. Let's get started. So we're going to power the device off. To do so, we're going to quick touch power and volume up at the same time. Bloop, just like that. Now we're going to power it off. I'm going to wait just a moment for it to shut down, and it's shut down. Now we're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. Push volume down just slightly before power. Volume down, power, and keep holding, and this menu pops up. Now with the volume keys, we're going to look for recovery mode. Push power for OK. Now we'll wait a few seconds, and we're looking for the fallen Android no command, which pops right up. And now what we're going to do here is, again, we're going to hold power and now quick touch volume up. Power, quick touch volume up, and this is the Android recovery menu that you're looking for. So with the volume keys, you're going to scroll to factory data reset, wipe data, factory reset right there. Press OK with power. They want you to confirm factory data reset, press OK with power. And then down here you'll see that the data wipe is complete, and now you can safely reboot your system. And let me remind you to always write down your logins and passwords to all your devices and keep that list safe. If this has been helpful, if you've been able to reset your Pixel 7 so that you can reuse it, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.